Okay, so I'm really hoping for a second wind once I get in there. I've been to 7 antique malls today. I've only spent $339 though, and that's just stuff for retail. That's not including the $100 of bracelets I bought for myself. I've just arrived at Burning Bridge. I'm walking while I'm talking because we only have about an hour. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, looks amazing in there. Oh my gosh, I spent so much time on the main level. I'm running downstairs. Of course, you know I love this booth right here. I want to go upstairs too. How am I going to do 2 levels in under 30 minutes? Oh my gosh, look at this metal daisy wreath. $12. Come to me. That's amazing. Oh, I really want to get that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. That's epic. And the little, so that's, oh my gosh, this is cute too. Yep, we're gonna get that. And this, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, with the chenille. Japan, oh my gosh. How did I not even see that? This is too big for me though. I don't want to mess with it. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, but the little owls. Oh no, I already looked at that one last time. All right, keep going. I see something interesting hiding back here. What is it? Oh, it's birds. I thought it was gonna be like fish. Look at you. It's a Borden's rattle, but I don't see a tag on you. What about this weird green color block dog? $10 and 15% off. He's kind of fantastic, isn't he? I'm a little on the fence about him right now though. I just don't think I'm in that kind of mood. Oh, we did this already. Okay. I can calm down. $125 still. That's a really good price. I can't believe those are still here. Look at this little happy tin. Oh, there's something in it. I don't want that. I love the puppets, but we already know how I feel about puppets. Puppets don't sell well for me. I will say I don't know if I said this already, but I went back for the Joseph Originals cat and it had a big chip on it underneath the bow, so I left that. All right, well, you already know I love the dog decanters, but it's these poodles I'm looking at. I don't want to mess with that. It's too big. I already bought a tall statue. $20, okay. That's good. That's good, I can leave that. But vinyl clown, oh my gosh. $20 and 15% off. Hold up. It would be $17. It's kind of fantastic. I feel like I could make money off this. I kind of love it. I've never seen one before. Oh, I'm gonna overspend because I'm running late. That's what happens when the antique mall's about to close and I come in after a long day of shopping. Count me to be panic-stricken and overspend. But it's amazing, so I don't regret it. I have to get this. I can't leave this here for $17. So I've definitely paid up for some items here. I'm going up to the 3rd floor. I'm super pinched on time because they close soon, in under 30 minutes to be exact. And I think I've spent roughly about $140 so far between the 2 levels. Yeah, I don't remember this being like this. Oh my gosh. I'm like out of breath. Why am I out of breath at an antique mall? I want this chair. $69.50. That is so reasonable. I kind of want it. Oh my gosh, wait, Joseph Originals, $93. Wow, that's an awesome set. These cane tops. I kind of want all of them. But what is this? Wow, purple pipe cleaner cross. Wow, that's really pretty. I'm really caught up on these. These are really cool. But what are these? Oh, they're magnets. I thought they were pins at first. 4 butterfly magnets. There's 4. Oh, well, if there's 4 for what? Uh-oh. What is that? 4 for $5? Heck yeah, let's get them. Somebody could easily turn these into pins. Okay, so you guys know my rule about things in bunny suits. Oh my gosh, $12. It's probably worth well more than $12. Oh, I'm gonna leave it today. I don't know why. I'm just not really feeling it. I Could have probably gotten at least 28 bucks for that, I feel like. But it's okay. I'm gonna stick with my gut. We don't have much time. Plus, it's fun to switch it up. I don't buy everything I could just make money off of. Otherwise, I'm gonna buy a lot more than I do. What is going on here? I really liked the color of this. It's $10. This is something I normally would not want to buy because it's so fragile. Why is it $10? Is it cracked? Well, I've been killing time trying to figure out why this is $10, and I'm just gonna put it in my basket because I love it. I love it. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's go into Denise's booth. Oh my God, kill me. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck to the curtains. My basket's stuck. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Everybody stop it. Oh my gosh, that's a really good price. I would buy that for myself. Oh, Russians everywhere, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is the best. That's the best. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, just kill me. This is so cute. And then what's happening over here? Oh my gosh, I want that. Oh, pink heart glasses. Oh, there's so much stuff I love. These monkeys are still here. Oh my gosh, look at this pink bear. Oh my gosh. Oh, and that bear, wow, she has really outdone herself. Oh my gosh, look at that. She restores these. Like I said, Trashy 13. Oh my gosh, look at this one. You have to follow her. You just have to. She has the best stuff. Like literally the best stuff. Like the little QP. Oh my gosh. And her packaging, the amount of time she takes doing this is insane. I have no idea how she keeps up with it. Oh my God, a pink Sylvester stapler. I've never seen anything like that. That's amazing. What's happening here? Flower picks. Oh my gosh. How do you even find this much stuff to put in a spot like this? I could literally just stay in here all day. Unfortunately, I have to go back to shopping for resale. Look at this cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love that set. I've had that in a figurine. I didn't know it was a salt and pepper shaker too. Or maybe it was salt and pepper shakers and I'm confused. Little daisies. We love our daisies. Yeah, so the moral of the story is follow Trashy13 on Instagram. That's with 2 E's. Trashy E. Okay, back to this. All right, no. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed, you guys. I'm still kind of caught up about that vase being $10. Look at this lighter set. Did I look at this last time? That's really cool. Fabric. Oh, that's neat too. Okay, so the head vase says as found. Okay, yeah, it's got a crack. Can't do that. Still confused why that pink glittery swirly flower vase was 10 bucks, but I said I was gonna let it go. I haven't let it go, but I said I was gonna let it go. These are all earrings, I think, yeah. Fuzzy kitten. You know, I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one of those the other day at Old Glory for ceramic frogs. Very cool. Let's see. 14 each. They're very fun. And then they got 15% off. I had to stop because I saw the eyelashes and hearts. These are newer. These are Taiwan, $12. Fair, but alas, not for me. What is happening over here? There's so much stuff I like in one spot. Oh my gosh. You guys, stop it. Look at these bangles. How much is that orange one? 40. I always pick out the most expensive one, I tell you. And then these, 26 each. There's a left-in candle hugger. Oh my gosh, the beaded purses. Oh, I love those. Also this little, oh wow, look at these bangles. Those are gonna be 32 each. I love that blue one. But this little plate here, I don't see a discount. Ring bell for service next to booth. Should I do it? Oh my gosh, those owl brooches are everything. Should I ring the bell? Oh, of course, the only couple things I like have the price turned down, which is never a good sign. Should I ring the bell or not to ring the bell? That is the question. Let's ring the bell. Just kidding, that was a light switch. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I have yet to find the bell. Is this double salt and pepper shaker? Stop, there's no way that's true. Oh, it is. It's $11, and I've never seen anything like it, and I'm buying it, and I'm in love with it. Focus, I only have like 10 minutes. It's insane. I love these too. These remind me a lot of those paper dolls I got at Heritage, and I love the rubber doll. Okay, try and make you guys not dizzy. I've hit a new low. I just got startled by my reflection. This is very pretty too. 22 is a little high for me. That's very pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazed, you guys. I have no time. I literally have like 10 minutes to do the rest of this antique mall. And I kind of still am caught up about that case. Maybe they'll come find me and realize I'm still up here. And then I'm like, oh, I was looking for the bell and I hit the light switch. All right, I've decided to ring, but along the way, of course, you know, I got distracted. Look at this cute little elephant planter. Oh my gosh, it's Moody Mary. How did I not see her? And she's green. 32, she's in pristine condition. Oh, if it was for myself, I would totally buy it at that price, but that's pretty close to what I get for after fees. That's a really good price for a collector though, 32. You guys, I really can't find the bell. It says on the column left of the next booth. What? I'm sorry, I'm confused. Maybe I should have just gone downstairs by now. Yeah, I should have just gone downstairs. Ring for service on column to the left of next booth. To the left of next booth. Not this one. To the left of next booth. Is this looks like a fire alarm. I really can't find this bell, you guys. Should I just call them? Is this a bell? Oh. Wow. That's a sign I need a sandwich. Well, the trinket dish was a little bit much for me. It was about retail, honestly. It's 28. And then the bangle was actually 33, not 15. I don't know where I came up with that number. They're about to close in like 4 minutes. I probably would have bought that bangle for myself if I wasn't about to spend 6 weeks driving across the country. Like I said, who knows what I'm gonna see. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. But I do actually wonder if they'll be nice enough to open this one case before they close, even though there's like 1 second left. Oh my gosh, and we have the swan. Look at that goose. Okay, hold on. All right, you guys, big exciting news. I think I spent like $163 in there. Yes, $163. There's a bee that really likes me and I don't like it. $163 in there, and we have big news. We have just set a date for a live shop along. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have said that. Now everyone's gonna know where it is, where I'm going. Oh well, whatever. We're doing it, and that's gonna be on Whatnot. In the meantime, I'm gonna get in the car, see what time it is, look at a map. Might have time for one more. I'm not sure if I'm done yet, so let's see what happens. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow.